Hello students, welcome at Educare. This is Vinod Bihani, and in this today's chemistry session we will see about water. Do you know, to live on this earth's surface, to survive, we required water before food and after oxygen. It is said that food, clothes and shelter are the three most essential or basic need of human being to live on this earth's surface. However, I think that before food we need water, and before water we need oxygen. Today we are taking some chemical details about water, that is H2O. So I have just mentioned necessity of water is there must after oxygen to survive of our life on this earth. You might have known about the two-thirds of earth's surface is occupied by water in various oceans and seas, and not only but also of human body, two-thirds of body weight, that is approximately 65% of human body weight, is nothing but due to presence of water. So about such water, then everybody must be interested to know its chemical detail. Chemical formula of water we already know, that's water, that is H2O, and it means one water molecule contains two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom with such structure, and that structure is HOH angular structure. This is inverted V shaped with bond angle of 104 degree, and it is 28 minutes, or it is approximately taken as 104.5 degree. Water is formed by the sp3 hybridization of oxygen molecule. Before the water molecule, that two OH bonds are formed, there is sp3 hybridization of oxygen occur, and after formation of water molecule it has such inverted V-shaped or angular shape, and not only but also it has such two lone pairs. You can show lone pairs with such two dots, and then that dots or that electron pair can act as lone pair, can be donated. So that is the bond angle 104.5 degree, and its geometry is angular or inverted V shape. Now there are three acid base theories in the chemistry that called as Arrhenius theory, Bronsted-Lowry theory and Lewis theory. According to Arrhenius theory, water is neutral, that is neither acidic nor basic. According to Bronsted-Lowry theory, water is amphoteric. Amphoteric means the capacity to act both acidic as well as basic. So here by Bronsted-Lowry theory, water is amphoteric. There is one more theory that called as Lewis acid base theory. That great scientist it was, G.N. Lewis, and on the basis of his theory, they call as Lewis theory. According to that theory, water is a base or it is a basic compound. So it is quite interesting to note, water is neutral by one theory, water is amphoteric means acting as both acidic and basic by Bronsted-Lowry theory, and by Lewis theory it is basic due to presence of its two lone pairs of electrons on oxygen. It is to be noted that water is called universal solvent. Universal solvent water is called as, because most of the inorganic compounds dissolve in water, not only but also some organic compounds like sugar or some carbohydrates like glucose, they also dissolve in water. This is due to the formation of hydrogen bonding with water, their ability to dissolve. Then it is about to know now the solid water that we call as ice. And do you know that ice is formed at the freezing point, which is 0 degree centigrade. Similarly, liquid water, when it boils, we get water vapors, and that water vapor we call as steam. It is formed at boiling point of 100 degree centigrade. So water exists as solid, liquid as well as in the gaseous form, and because of its nature to dissolve, most of the crystalline substances, and it is what known as then universal solvent. So that is the brief information about water, its chemical information given here. And if you like this video, share this video with your friends. Also subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button icon to get our notification of latest videos. Thanks.